This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 27DBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, awning, microwave, water heater, spare tire kit, refrigerator, skylight, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 27DBX is 6,984 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.